Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I have another review for you. Now I'm talking about a cosmetic product, okay, a facial peeling solution I got from Temu. So it's Chinese. Now it's time to try something from China. Now this is basically a dupe for the ordinary alpha hydroxy acid 30% and beta hydroxy acid 2% peeling solution. So this is also a peeling solution, and this is the Moo Yum peeling solution. So basically it's exactly the same, but does it work the same? Let's find out. So I got this for about $5. I think it was 4 point something euros, so it's about $5 on Temu, and it claims to do exactly what the ordinary, peeling solution does. So this says it's a 10 minutes exfoliating solution, deep peeling. So it contains alpha hydroxy acids, which is the AHA, which can remove the skin's top surface for a brighter, more even experience. It also contains the beta hydroxy acid, BHA, also has skin lengthening properties, helping to clear clogged pores. Skin lengthening, okay, so doesn't make your skin last more. Anyway, now so the combination of the AHA and the beta makes it 32% solution, provides a deeper exfoliation that helps fight visible blemishes and improves skin luster, helps to improve fine lines, lighten skin tone, and exfoliate skin, just like what the ordinary's peeling solution claims to do. So it's like a copy, a dupe from a dupe of the ordinary products. And basically I think the ordinary's peeling solution cost about $10 or something, so it's about half the price of what the ordinary costs. So a good one. Now it says to cleanse face and wait for it to dry. Do not use on wet skin. Basically, yeah, it's an acid, so if you put acid in water you produce more acid. Apply evenly across the face and neck using the fingertips. Leave on for no more than 10 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Avoid the eye contour and contact with the eyes, both during application and rinsing off. The low viscosity solution is intended to be used as a mask. Do not leave longer for 10 minutes. If irritation occurs, contact a physician. Now the sunburn alert, as they said, the product contains alpha hydroxy acid that may increase your sensitivity to the sun, particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use a sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure while using this product for a week afterwards. Use only as directed. Contact of the product with the skin must be of limited frequency or duration. Yes, so we have limited time to use it. Use it for 10 minutes, rinse it off, and once a week you're good to go. When you use this product, you're supposed to use a sunscreen for 1 week after. Even 1 week after, you need to use a sunscreen to prevent sunburn, because the alpha hydroxy acid that we use on the skin, it peels the skin, so your skin is more prone to sunburn. So you need to protect your skin by wearing sunscreen. Now, is this a good product or not? Is it better than the ordinary, or is it just like the ordinary, or is it worse than the ordinary? Okay, so you can see even the packaging, everything, the color, everything. But this, I must say, smells like it's got mint in there. Well, the ordinary doesn't smell like this. The peeling solution from the ordinary doesn't smell like it's got mint in there, but this smells like it's got mint in there. And I like the minty smell. Mint on your skin, on your face is a nice smell. Basically, I use it according to directed, just like the ordinary. I wash my face first, starting from a very clean face. Then I come in with a few drops and massage with my fingertips on my face. I must say, when I used the ordinary peeling solution, it did give me a little bit of a stink, but this was so smooth. This did not give me any stink. I did not feel any burn. I did not feel any tingling sensation. So I don't know, is it softer or milder than the ordinary, peeling solution? I don't know, but I think so. Yeah, you know, this is milder than the ordinary. It didn't really peel my skin. Okay, it didn't peel my skin, honestly. It did not peel my skin. I didn't feel any exfoliation effects, but it felt good on the skin. It's a good, you know, facial mask. If I have to compare this to the ordinary, I would say the ordinary works slightly better. It's not bad though, but the ordinary works slightly better than this one. This looks and feels like the ordinary solution, but it feels like the diluted version of the ordinary solution. So yeah, it is a dupe. If you want to use this, yes, it's great. You can use it, you can buy it, but you need to use it more to get, you know, results like the ordinary, because it feels like the diluted version of the ordinary peeling solution. So yeah, it smells good, it's affordable, it works, but not as good as the ordinaries. And if I have to compare this to the ordinary, if I have to choose one, I will choose the ordinary because it's more effective. Even though this is not bad, I mean, if you compare the price, it's cheaper, like half the price. So yeah, you can get this, and you will need more time to see results. So honestly, this is my honest opinion. You can see it's a 30 ml, just like the ordinary. A little bit goes a long way, and this will last you for a very long time if you continue using it, you know, once a week. It's gonna last for a very long time. Talking about the strength, this is not as strong as the ordinary peeling solution. If you want something faster, something more rapid, you should go for the ordinary instead of this Mujam from the, you know, from Temu. I mean, with the price, I wasn't expecting much, but it is not bad for the price. Will I get this again? No, I don't think I'll get this again, but it's a cool one and I'm glad I tried it. The ordinary is way better than this, but it's not bad either. Okay, guys, so that is it. Have you ever tried this? Are you thinking of trying it? If yes, let me find out in the comment section. Have you tried it? Was it good? Was it not? Let me find out in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye-bye.